Hello children, how are you? Now you are in 6th standard. So we will discuss about your first lesson, food. Food, where does it come from? We will discuss in this way.
Hello students, how are you? I am your science teacher, Mr. Harshvardhan Halge. So now you are in 6th standard. So today we will see our first lesson, food. Where does it come from? Food, where does it come from? What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friends ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? आज आपने क्या खाया? कल क्या खाया? आपके दोस्तों से पूछो कि उन्होंने क्या खाया. क्या कल हमने और आज हमने एक ही जैसा खाना खाया? नहीं ना, हम लोग रोज अलग अलग तरह का खाना खाते हैं, है ना? So now we will see food variety. So here is the activity first. Ask your friend in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. So see if you can also get this information from friends staying in the different states of India. So list all the items in your notebook as given in table 1.1 for as many friends as possible. So here given table number 1.1. What do we eat? Here is in the first box name of the students or your friend. In the second, food items eaten in a day. Here we will take one example. Your friend Astha eat Puran Puri, which live in Maharashtra. Satyam, who live in Kerala, eat rice, fish with full of spices. Your third friend Atharva, who lives in Rajasthan, eat dal bati churma and something with it. So we will see here there is so much difference in between three. Astha eat puran poli, Satyam eat rice and fish, and Atharva eat dal bati churma, who lives in Rajasthan. So 3 seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. So here we can see figure 1.1. What are these foods items made of? Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just 2 materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice, जिसे हम राइस कहते हैं. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetable, salts, spices, oil and so on. एक्टिविटी 1 से हमें ये पता चलता है कि कुछ फूड बनाने के लिए हमें सिर्फ 1 या 2 इंग्रेडिएंट्स का ही मिलाना काफ़ी होता है, लेकिन कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स, कुछ फूड ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हमें चाहिए होते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी एक्टिविटी 2. चूज सम ऑफ द आइटम्स यू लिस्टेड इन टेबल 1.1 एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट what ingredients are used to prepare these by discussing with your friends and elder at home. List them in table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Add some more items to this list. Here in the table 1.2, food items and their ingredients. In the first, we can see food items like roti, chapati, dal. And in the second, what the ingredients need for making that food. For example, we can see for making roti or chapati, ingredients need atta, water. For making dal, we need pulses, water, salt, oil or ghee and spices. So same like that, we can understand some food items are common which need very few ingredients for making them. But some are the food which need more ingredients to make them. So in the next page we can see what do we find? Do we find some ingredients common for different food items? We will discuss in class. Okay, so where do these ingredients come from? So we will see these ingredients come from which food material and what are their sources. So here 1.2 food materials and their sources. So it may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. Fruits and vegetables, for instance, figure 1.2a, where do they comes from? Plant, of course. From where they comes? Of course, they comes from the plants. So what are the sources of rice or wheat? You may have seen paddy or wheat field with row and row of plants, which give us these grains. And then there are food items like milk, eggs and meat, which comes from animal. So we can understand the food materials which comes from plants and the animals. Some food materials like milk, eggs and meat which comes from animals. The other way. So here we can understand the food materials and the sources from they come are the different. So students, this is for today enough. We will see in the next period. Today we will see the food variety and the food material and their sources. So we will continue in the next period. Okay, bye bye. Stay home, stay happy.